Good morning, everybody. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I do grocery hauls, cook with me's, clean with me's, day in the life, things like that. Like, you know, my journey through motherhood, currently my journey through not getting pregnant, but being pregnant. So today I'm doing a grocery haul. I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently. Normally I do a meal plan prior to doing the shopping, but today I haven't done a meal plan at all. And I haven't even, normally I would do click and collect and just order it online, do click and collect, but today I haven't done that either. So I'm about to go into Coles and I am about to do my shopping for the week, and I'm kind of basically just going to wing it. Normally I don't just wing it, but this week I am, because I have been so exhausted because I've started back at work again after lockdown, and I've been so tired that I just didn't end up doing my meal plan. So so I'm going to go in there today, see what's there, and kind of do my meal plan as I'm shopping, and kind of work out what we're going to do as I'm shopping once I see what's there and what's available. So yes, and then I will show you everything I got when I get home. All right, so let's just get into it because I want to get this stuff in the freezer and the fridge, but this is just an overview of everything. So got chicken thighs. These are going to be for tonight's dinner. I'm going to do a creamy garlic and parmesan chicken for tonight. Slow cooked pork shank. I thought this would be really good to try. I was thinking we could serve it with mash and veggies. Kebab, same thing, just serve it with veg. Same thing. Chicken strips, chips and veg. There for dinners this week. Then we got the 4 3-litre bottles of milk because we go through so much milk in my house. I've been having an obsession with chocolate milk this pregnancy. Combo pack of sausage rolls and party pies. Thought we could have that for lunch over the weekend. Vanilla Coke for my husband. He likes to have a glass of that with his dinner. Juice. And same with me. I like to have a glass of the no sugar, no caffeine Coke with my dinner. And then we have the Kirk cans, which I like to take to work. We have mashed potato. These are really good. I do find these really good and really convenient. These I just put with a little bit of milk and butter, and oh my god, it's so yum. Harvest snacks, just a snack. Same thing with popcorn. We have 2 2-litre laundry liquids. This is so good. It's so cheap and it works so well. That's just the Coles one. It works so well. Tomato sauce. I got some hair mask, fabric softener, laundry antibacterial stuff, Savoys, dentist sticks for my little puppy, crumpets for breakfast. I got Monte Carlos. I've been craving Monte Carlos lately, so I got some of those. Up and Goes. I've been loving Up and Goes lately, just in the mornings. So over here we have fresh produce. So we have bananas, spinach, apples, and oranges, and also mushrooms. Down here we have some yogurt. So we've got chocolate yogurt, the s'mores Chobani flip. Oh my god, they're so good. My husband loves those. I'm more of a fan of the fruity ones, so I love the strawberry shortcake. That's my favorite. So I've got two of each flavor of these because these were on special. Thickened cream, that's to go on the recipe tonight. I've got a couple of dips, French onion and spicy capsicum. So yum, 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 yum. More yogurt. My husband loves this one as well, so I got that for him. Butter. This is going to be my lunch today. It's actually quite nice. I've had this before. It's actually really good. So my son loves these. We got some bread, lollies. These are really good for an easy lunch. these pasta packs. You just add water, milk and butter to them, and they're just really good. Easy lunch. Some cupcakes because I felt like splurging. Some eggs. Some caramels. These are for Halloween. It's Halloween this weekend, so I got some of these for the trick-or-treaters. Some jelly. Some air fresheners. I got those for the bedroom and the bathroom. Just because I love a nice smelling house. And over here we have the Steam Fresh Veggie Mix. I love this. It's just so convenient, just getting it out of the freezer and cooking it up, because it's such a nice, easy, convenient way to have veggies. Shredded cheddar, extra sharp parmesan to go in dinner tonight, and we have frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries are my son's favorite. He loves those. And then we also have another indulgence for my husband and I. It's the caramel egos. These are on special and I saw them and I'm like, yes, I need to get those. So that is everything that I got for this week's shop. I am just about to go into work, so it's a little bit of time. So I put everything away and everything. And then, so I just wanted to let you know how much I spent. So I ended up spending $264.68, which is way over my budget. But I find that happens when I go into the shops to do my shopping, because I don't know, I like impulse buy. And I just end up spending way more than what I intended to. But what I found is I ended up saving myself $54.78. So if I hadn't shopped the savings, I would have ended up spending way more, like even more than that. But so I just wanted to share that little update with you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.